I am better and I am here to serve, and I'm sorry that I didn't serve, but I promise I will serve. Welcome back to my channel. If you're returning somebody, then thank you. But if it's your first time stopping by, then hey, my name is Charmaine. I do videos on beauty, home decor, and lifestyle. And if you really are enjoying my vibe, then definitely do hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. For today, as you can see by the title, I am doing yet another Pep Home haul. Only this time the difference is that I went ahead and bought kitchen stuff. I bought kitchen stuff very affordable, inspired by Pinterest, and I went ahead to other stores and I saw that it was very expensive, but you know, Pep Home is the girl. So I went for a certain style today. It's clear glass, white and bamboo. So I went ahead and picked up how many stuff. I really can't tell you how much the total was because I went on different days and I really didn't keep receipts, but I know I did get quite a few stuff from them and it was really cute and affordable, but I'm just gonna stick into it. So let me start first with other stores. Let me start first with Pep Home. So the very first thing that I got from Pep Home was this cute mugs. It was a coffee and saucer set and it went for 19 rand 99. So it's basically a saucer, a cup like this. How gorgeous is this, you guys? Look at this. It looks very vintage. It's navy blue with like a brown rim and it has a light mint color inside. It is a very small mug or cup. It's meant for, like, you know, those vibes, So that's what it's meant for. The saucer just looks like this and it went for 19 rand and 99. I don't know if you guys will see that, but anyway, you guys can't see it, but it went for 19 rand and 99 for both these. I felt like it was such a steal, and I really do regret that I only took two of them because when I went back to look for them, they were gone. Then secondly, I took two of these champagne glasses. I do prefer champagne glasses, even though I do drink. When I drink wine, I use champagne glasses. When I drink juice, when I drink water, when I just feel extra, I use champagne glasses to just be that girl, I found this also at Pep and it was, I think, 14.99. I just don't have the stickers on it, and it is very good quality. Let me tell you, it is very good quality. It is heavy. It is not that flimsy glass. It's very good quality. It's something that you would find at very expensive stores, but I found it for 14.99 each, I think. Then I also picked up two of these mugs, these clear mugs. I think they're called latte mugs. They also went for 14 rand 99, and I also just took two of them, but I really am happy for this. I am very happy with this quality. It's also very heavy and is not flimsy. It's just strong glass, something that you would find at a higher end store, but I just got it for 14 rand 99. And then next I got myself this huge mug. This will be perfect for the winters when I have to get my hot chocolate, my soups. It is a very huge glass. It is sort of, I don't know, should I call this a teal or should I call this a blue, but it's mixed with a brown, but it's very huge, and it went for 19.99 also at Pep. Then this too I got a long time ago, ne? But it's just this two clear jars, I think. Should I call them jars? I really cannot remember how much this was, but I do use this for my toothpicks. I don't like it when my toothpicks are just lying around there and they're not in something, so I thought this would be a very cute one. This one, however, I'm gonna put in the bedroom. I think I'm gonna put my earbuds on it in it. Also, I got this Faux Plant from Pep. This was also 18.99, and I also lost the sticker on this one, but it's just this plant, and is for me it looks very realistic. It's just this clear glass with this stones in it, if you guys can see that. They just glued in there. Then it has this, should I call it twine? Yes, wrapped around it, and it's very cute. It's nice to just add greenery in your kitchen. It just makes it look very alive and very fresh, and brings all the colors together. So from Pep, I also got this cookie jars, but I do use them for storing my sugar, my tea, and my coffee in it. I just like the simplicity of it. It's printed, this is all tin, but it's white. I don't know, let me just go back and so that you guys can see it nicely. But it's just this white tin. It has this dents or detailing on it. I feel like this is just washing off. You guys cannot see what it is, but it is just this white tin with this lid. It's printed on, it's like a woody print, yes, or wood print, I don't know. And I got this for $29.99, and I took 3 of these. What else did I get from? Also, I also took this some time ago, but it is just this huge jar, and I use it to store my oats. This was $39.99, and I feel like this is also so nice when you display it on your table. It's just this minimalistic look where you just have your storage containers and you have your food there, and it also acts as a decorative piece. I think it got this large glass canister that I use to store my spaghetti, and it has this lid with marbling. Although I wish that it has a print just like this one, the bamboo one or the wood one. I wish it was on here, but I really do not mind this marble looking one. It was $26.99 at Pep. I got this cloth. I don't know why I'm showing you guys a cloth. It's just this simple cloth. It's navy blue, and it was $15.99. It's just, look, it already has a stain. I was using it when I was baking, but it is just this navy blue. Also, tell me guys, do you guys want to see me baking a strawberry cake like with real fruit? Just let me know if you guys want to see it. I already shot it. I just don't know if you guys want to see it. Just comment down below if you guys really want to see that, and I will post it right after this one because it's already edited and everything. You just have to let me know if you guys are interested in it. Moving on forward. Last but not least from Pep was this, and I'm very happy that I found this. It's a bread bin, and it really looks small, but it's actually fitting for 2 loaves of bread. So it's just this tin. I guess you guys can hear the sound already, and it has this lid which is real wood, but I do not think you can use this as a chopping board. It is very, very weak. It's not that weak, but you cannot use it for a chopping board. But this went for $99.99 at Pep. And you know what, guys? I actually saw the something similar to this from at Home or Woolworths, something like that, but it was $4.99, somewhere there, $4.99, 500-ish, and I was very happy to find this at Pep for 99 rand. Guys, if you're sleeping on Pep, you better wake up now. Then moving over to things that I got from other stores, I got this 2 jars. It's the only thing I got from Crazy Plastics, but it is this clear jars, and it's very small, and it has this cork on top of it to use as a lid. I am planning to use this for olive oil and my balsamic vinegar. I feel like it's small enough. I don't like big things in my kitchen. Also, I use it to display. Let me just show you what I do. I'll show you after. I'll just send you a picture. I'll just put a picture right here so that you guys can see how I decorate with it. And then I went to a Chinese store and they had this displayed, but I got this for very cheap. I got this for 10 rand. This, as you can see, it's split here, ne? Then I think it was going for 30 something, but because it was split and it was the last one, they gave it to me for 10 rand. Yes, 10 or 12 rand, somewhere there. But I was very happy because I was not really going to use it to crush spices. I don't buy spices that need to be crushed. They come crushed. But this I thought would be a great piece, or great decorative piece rather. So yeah, I got this for 15 rand. I do not know what this Chinese shop's name is. If I do find out, I'll just put it down here, but I really do not remember what the name of the shop is. And then I went to Bargain Basket and I found this spoons or wooden utensils. I got all of them. Wow, I didn't even see. This one looks like this. I didn't even see. I don't like it. But anyway, I don't display it this way. I display it just this way. Anyway, I got all this for 22 rand. Like, not 22, no, it's 22 for all of this. They're not the best quality, but wooden spoons are wooden spoons. You just stir with it. You not, what are you gonna do besides stir with it? So I'll just buy them again when they get messed up. But anyway, I got all of this. I think they are, 5 of them for 22 rand at Bargain Basket. And then I think my very last thing was this. I got this at the Hub, and this was 29 rand, so 30 rand. So basically what I do with this, I know this is a beer glass. I thought I was gonna put greenery in here like the Faux Plant, but I actually just use it for, and I just, because I'm loving the clear and I'm loving how big it is, and I think it just goes well with my spoons. So yeah, you guys, I think that is about it. Yes, I did show you everything that I got from Pep, and also I will be shooting another video after this one. I will be shooting a wig. I was shooting hair. I'll be reviewing hair. I will not say what hair company I bought from, but I am very excited for this new wig. So definitely do hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Also, I did buy a lot of clothes, so there will also be what do you call it? I will will be doing a try on haul for you guys. I bought a lot of shoes. Why, I don't know. And I also think I should do a bag haul, because I do have a lot of bags. But let me know if you guys want to see those bag haul, if you guys want to see me do a try on haul. And also let me know, like, just let me know in the comments down below. I've got a video lined up that is like me baking, and I'm about to shoot a wig review. I have a clothing haul. I think I'm gonna squeeze the clothing haul with the shoes, because it's not a lot of clothes. There's a decent amount, but not a lot. And then also, I don't know if I should do a bag haul, a handbag haul. Just you guys let me know. If you guys are interested, hit the subscribe button. Also let me know in the comments. And also don't forget to like this video so that you can be seen around the world. So thank you guys for tuning back in, and I'm very sorry that I was gone for such a long time, but I guess you guys will understand. I was just going through the most, and I had a lot on my plate, but I thought I will do it when I get better, and I am better, and I am here to serve. And I'm sorry that I didn't serve, but I promise I will serve. So yeah, you guys, bye.